Britain have got a composite of Durham, Tees and York City. It's a northern composite that have come together for that one. Lane 3, it's Sarasota County Rowing and Avalon from the United States of America. Portuguese composite of VRL of Barrio Lisboa and Nova Rowing Club. Another British composite, Cantabrigian and Champion of the Thames, that Cambridge composite. Lane 6, it's the German Zuderverein Empor, Sport Club Berlin, Köpenick, Akkad, Ruderverein, Leipzig, SV, Energy Berlin and Gruno as well. Lane 8, it's our big international composite. Itzas Lagunac, Spain, Mile High, USA, Club de Remo, Domino, Spain. Ruder Club Fusterwald from Germany, Pocock Rowing Club, USA, Rocky Mountain, Atlanta, USA, and Duisburger from Germany. Our medalists just pushing off though, to on the left-hand side of your screen. Out in front though, leading the 8th race, it's our crew in lane 6. It's our German composite going well, as are the Australians in lane 7, St George Rowing Club, Glebe, Manning River, Lake Macquarie, and Leichhardt. Going well, matching the pace though of the crew on the far side in lane 1, Region Grand, who we know have got power in 8s. We've seen it over the past few days on display. That kaleidoscope of colour though from the Australians in lane 7. Just seeing their bows moving closer and closer to the Germans, I think, who are still our leading crew at the moment. This is going to be a cracking finish of this one. The Australians going well. The French going well at the top of your screen as well. There are our 3 crews out in front. Our 3 crews who are in with a shout of winning this one. We're getting desperately close to the final 250 metres. There we go. There's the red boys. Let's see who's got another sprint in them as we come up to the finish line. Germans still holding the advantage at the moment. But here come the crew from Australia. Here comes St George's Rowing Club, Glebe, Manning River, Lake Macquarie, Leichhardt continuing to move. It was at half a length earlier. We're now sitting probably a quarter of a length. It's less than 1.6 seconds, that's for sure, as we get closer and closer to the finish line. Great racing still coming from the French as well. Region Grand at the top of your screen, moving nicely. But that was our Australian bow continuing to march up the hull of the Germans. Germany still with the advantage though, as we come in probably to the last 100 metres. We've probably got 10, 12 strokes left to go to determine this winner. But what about the French on the top of the screen as well? What about Region Grand? They've snuck through Germany, they've snuck through the Australians, and they'll take gold. Ahead of that German crew, the German composite, the Australians will settle for 3rd. And then sprinting through that international composite in lane 8, finishing fast as well. Best of the rest then, it's that Portuguese crew in lane 4, just ahead of our American Sarasota County and Avalon in 3. And just ahead of the Brits, Cantabrigian and Champion of the Thames. Well, brilliant racing from the 8s, as it so often is. There's your final results then. It was the French on top, storming.